This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about retail bags, specifically these Saving Nature retail bags with handles. We have these craft paper retail bags with handles in various sizes. The first is 10 1/4 by 7 3/4 inches deep and 10 1/2 inches high. Next, a 12 1/2 by 8 1/4 by 11 1/4. 14 1/4 by 8 1/4 by 13 1/4, 7 3/4 by 4 by 11 1/2, 10 1/4 by 5 1/2 by 12 1/2, and 12 1/2 by 6 1/4 by 17. We also have a 12 1/2 by 6 1/4 by 12 1/4, and a 7 by 3 1/4 by 9 1/2. There's a variety of other color options that these are available in, as well as additional size, meaning that you've got a great combination of both colors and sizes to choose from, so you can really match and blend seamlessly with your other packaging and coordinate with your branding. They're all made of 90 GSM paper for a durable and strong shopping bag that also features great sturdy handles as well. These are a fantastic option for eco-minded establishments as they are commercially compostable. They're great for restaurants to use for to-go orders, for bakeries when they're packing up their orders for customers, and also for retail gift and clothing stores as well. You have various large sizes that are great for carrying multiple orders, and smaller ones that are great for single items or smaller items that you need to pack in closely together. You have some great setups that are more horizontal and others that are more vertical that give you a lot of size and shape options to choose from. These are perfect for any establishment looking for a dependable retail shopping bag.